My name is Erika Twani, and I'm the CEO of Learning One-to-One and author of Becoming Einstein's Teacher. I believe every student is a genius.
Well, we just finished the Silver Master Media class. 2 days extensive shooting with this rock star.
That's right. That's right.
YouTuber, holy crap. I never imagined I'll be doing this. Really? If you want to know more about pick up my book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher, or stuff is gonna go wrong. So I'm just gonna repeat it. This has been freaking tough, people. You know, record those videos and re-record again and talk again, and sometimes, you know, you just forget who you're talking to on the other side. If you are...
No, that was great. That's great.
Okay.
Why did you stop?
Oh, because I don't like it. I don't like it.
Let me decide.
Okay. I'm the boss. I'm so worried about making sure you have the right message that you forget who you're talking to on the other side. So I'm talking to parents, I'm talking to teachers, I'm talking to students that are trying to find a solution to learn more and learn better. So here's my vulnerable time. For more detailed understanding on how to put the relational learning framework to work for you, make sure you read my book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher, watch my other videos, subscribe, like, share those videos, and see you in the next video.
And that's a wrap.
Are we done? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Really?
Do you want more?
No, I'm good.